Hi there to all of you. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best folding treadmills for workout. We created this list based on our own research, opinions, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality features and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, these are the top 5 best folding treadmills. First product on our list is the NordicTrack T-Series Folding Treadmill. The NordicTrack T-Series Folding Treadmill isn't just your average workout machine. With its smart response motor and Flex Select deck cushioning, it's designed to provide you with an effective and comfortable workout experience, whether you're sprinting, jogging, or power walking. One of the standout features of this treadmill is its ability to adjust to your workout needs seamlessly. With the 10% one-touch incline control and smart one-touch speed control, you can easily intensify your workouts with just the touch of a button. And when you're done with your workout, the innovative space-saver design with Easy Lift Assist allows you to fold up the treadmill effortlessly, making it ideal for compact storage in any home. Plus, with features like the auxiliary music port and dual speakers, you can enjoy your favorite tunes or podcasts while you exercise, enhancing your overall workout experience. With its durability, versatility, and innovative features, the NordicTrack T-Series Folding Treadmill is truly the best of the best for home fitness enthusiasts. Whether you're training for a marathon or simply looking to stay active, this treadmill has everything you need to reach your fitness goals. Second product on our list is the Sunny Health and Fitness Energy Flex Motorized Treadmill. Get ready to revolutionize your cardio workouts with the Sunny Health and Fitness Energy Flex Motorized Treadmill. Let's take a closer look at what sets this treadmill apart from the rest. With its powerful motor and innovative design, this treadmill is made for running. Experience speeds of up to 10 miles per hour on the cushioned running deck, which helps absorb impact to reduce stress on your joints. Stay in control of your workout with the performance monitor, which tracks essential data like speed, distance, calories burned, and pulse. Plus, conveniently located pulse grips provide real-time feedback on the intensity of your exercise. Instantly boost workout intensity with the automatic incline feature, offering 15 levels of recline at the touch of a button. Customize your workouts with 16 preset programs, 3 user-customized workouts, and a BMI calculator. Stay entertained and connected while you exercise with the built-in Bluetooth function, allowing you to play music wirelessly and answer phone calls. Plus, keep your devices charged with the onboard USB port and easily access them with the device holder. While some users noted minor drawbacks like the manual incline adjustment and shallow water bottle holder, overall, the Sunny Health and Fitness Energy Flex Motorized Treadmill offers exceptional value for its price. Whether you're a seasoned runner or just starting your fitness journey, this treadmill has everything you need to reach your goals. Third product on our list is the Xterra Fitness TR Folding Treadmill. Get ready to elevate your home workouts with the Xterra TR260 treadmill. Crafted from durable alloy steel, the TR260 offers a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour, making it perfect for indoor use by adults seeking a reliable and efficient workout. Stay in control of your workout with the intuitive LCD display and handlebar controls, allowing you to adjust speed and incline with ease. Plus, with its foldable and compact design, the TR260 fits seamlessly into any home gym space. Powered by a smooth and quiet 2.25 horsepower motor, the TR260 offers 12 preset programs and 10 levels of electronic incline, providing challenging variation to keep your workouts effective and engaging. And with XTRA soft cushioning, your joints stay safe and comfortable throughout your workout. Take your workouts to the next level with Bluetooth FTMS connectivity, allowing you to connect to third-party apps like KineMap and Zwift for interactive training experiences. Plus, stay entertained and organized with the integrated book rack and accessory holder. While some users noted minor drawbacks like the weight of the treadmill and the positioning of the console's power cable, overall, the Xterra offers exceptional value for its price. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, this treadmill has everything you need to reach your goals. Fourth product on our list is the Borgussi Treadmill with Auto Incline. Get ready to take your fitness journey to the next level with the Borgussi Treadmill. With a powerful 3 horsepower motor, the Borgussi Treadmill ensures smooth and quiet operation, allowing you to focus on your workout without any distractions. Plus, its sturdy construction and support users up to 300 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of individuals. Achieve a personalized workout experience with the Borgussi Treadmill's 0 to 12% auto incline and adjustable speed ranging from 0.5 to 8.5 miles per hour. Easily switch between incline levels and speed settings using the intuitive control panel or quick keys on the handrail. The treadmill features a 43.5-inch by 17.5-inch large running track with 10 shock absorbers and 5 layers of non-slip running belt, providing maximum cushioning for your knees, muscles, and joints. Whether you're walking, jogging, or running, the Borgussi Treadmill ensures a comfortable and safe workout experience. Worried about space? Don't be! The Borgussi Treadmill is 95% pre-installed and can be easily folded up for compact storage after your run. Say goodbye to cluttered home gyms and hello to simplicity and convenience. Stay motivated and entertained during your workouts with the Treadmill's large LCD panel, which displays essential workout metrics like time, speed, distance, calories, incline, and pulse. Plus, enjoy high-quality sound with the built-in Bluetooth speaker, allowing you to listen to your favorite music or podcasts while you exercise. Fifth product on our list is the Renistar Treadmill. Welcome to the ultimate treadmill experience with the enhanced workout treadmill. Let's dive into what sets this treadmill apart from the rest. Achieve your fitness goals with ease using the enhanced workout treadmill. With adjustable speed ranging from 0.5 to 10 miles per hour and customizable incline levels from 0% to 15%, you can create a personalized workout tailored to your preferences. Experience a joint-friendly workout thanks to the treadmill's innovative 6 sets of CMTS patented shock absorbers. These advanced shock absorbers reduce impact on your joints, providing a comfortable and supportive surface for your workouts. Plus, the multi-layer running belt ensures optimal traction, durability, and smooth performance. Stay in control of your workout with the treadmill's user-friendly interface and intuitive controls. Direct access buttons for start, stop, program selection, incline adjustment, and speed control make it easy to navigate your workout sessions. Quick speed and incline adjustments on the handrail provide added convenience, allowing you to focus on achieving your fitness goals. Plus, the treadmill comes with complete accessories, ensuring you have everything you need for a comfortable and enjoyable workout experience. This concludes our review of the top best treadmills available. Refer to the description below for detailed information on each product, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching. If this information was helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.